not going to be able to climb the corporate ladder forever. Companies are increasingly laying off employees or outsourcing jobs in order to cut costs. Ladies and gents, this is The Startup, the channel for business and entrepreneurship. And if you're here, the chances are you're looking to make some serious money, but you're not quite sure if your 9-to-5 job is going to cut it. Well, let me tell you, you are not alone. In fact, I've got multiple reasons why you'll never get rich doing a 9-to-5. Now, this video is not intended to trigger you, but to inspire you. So let's dive in. Did you know that many millionaires and billionaires started their careers in traditional 9-to-5 jobs, but eventually found ways to break out of the mold? One of the biggest myths about entrepreneurship is that you need a lot of money to get started. In reality, many successful entrepreneurs started with very little capital and grew their businesses over time. Oprah Winfrey started her career as a news anchor, but eventually became an entrepreneur and media mogul, building a billion-dollar empire. Then you've got Elon Musk, who worked in the tech industry before founding PayPal and eventually becoming a billionaire through his investments in companies like Tesla or SpaceX. Then you've got real estate investors like Kiyosaki, who started his career as a salesman but eventually built a real estate empire and became a best-selling author for books like Rich Dad Poor Dad. Now, the first reason why you'll never get rich doing a 9-to-5 is the limited income. Your salary is predetermined by your employer and it's not likely to increase significantly over time. You're essentially trading time for money, and there's a cap on how much time you can spend working. The second reason is the time constraints. Most 9-to-5 jobs require you to be at a specific place at a specific time, which leaves very little room for flexibility. You're essentially at the mercy of your employer's schedule, and that could be a major barrier to building wealth. The third reason is the opportunity cost. When you're working a 9-to-5, you're not able to pursue other income-generating opportunities. And this could include starting your own business or investing in real estate or stocks, or even taking on extra freelance work. The opportunity cost of sticking to a 9-to-5 can be significant in the long run. The fourth reason why you'll never get rich doing a 9-to-5 is the limited growth potential. In most cases, you're not going to be able to climb the corporate ladder forever. There's only so many executive positions to go around, and competition for those positions can be fierce. And the fifth reason is the lack of control. When you're working a 9-to-5, you're at the mercy of your employer and you don't have control over the direction of the company, the salary increases, or even the workload. That lack of control can be frustrating and limiting. And the sixth reason is inflation. Even if you're able to maintain your current salary, inflation can eat away at your purchasing power over time. And this means that money you're earning today may not be worth as much in the future, making it even more difficult to achieve financial freedom. And the seventh reason why you'll never get rich doing a 9-to-5 is the unique advantages that come with entrepreneurship. See, when you're working for yourself or investing in assets that appreciate in value, you've got more control over your income and the potential for much greater wealth, since there's no cap on how much you can earn. When you're earning a salary from a 9-to-5, you don't have many opportunities to reduce your tax. Sure, you could take advantage of deductions like charitable contributions or mortgage interest, but these deductions are limited. On the other hand, business owners and investors have access to a wide range of tax advantages that could significantly reduce their tax liability. For example, real estate investors in some countries can take advantage of depreciation deductions to reduce their taxable income. In the past, many people believed that a 9-to-5 provided a stable source of income and job security. However, recent economic trends have shown that this is no longer the case. In fact, companies are increasingly laying off employees or outsourcing jobs to other countries in order to cut costs. Also, advances in tech have made many jobs obsolete. For example, you've got self-checkout machines who are replacing cashiers in many retail stores. Then you've got the issue with lack of fulfillment. See, many people who work a 9-to-5 find that they're not fulfilled by their work. They might feel like their job's meaningless or doesn't align with their values, and this could lead to burnout and a lack of motivation, which can in turn limit their earning potential. On the other hand, you've got entrepreneurs and investors who often have a strong sense of purpose and passion for their work, which could drive them to greater success. See, When you work a 9 to 5, you're often limited to the people you work with and the clients or customers that you interact with. And this can limit your opportunities for networking and building relationships that could help you achieve greater success. On the other hand, entrepreneurs and investors have more opportunities to network and build relationships with a wider range of people, including other entrepreneurs and investors or mentors. Also, when you're working for someone else, you're often limited in your ability to be creative and innovative. Your job might require you to follow specific procedures or adhere to strict guidelines, both of which can limit your ability to think outside the box. Entrepreneurs and investors, on the other hand, have got more freedom to experiment and innovate, which can lead to breakthroughs and the accompanying success that comes with it. Now, while there's definitely some advantages to working a 9 to 5, it's important to recognize the limitations and explore other opportunities for generating income and building wealth. Whether you decide to become an entrepreneur or investor or pursue another path, there are plenty of options out there for those who are willing to take risks and think creatively. So don't be afraid to explore your options and pursue your dreams. There you have it. Remember to like and subscribe for more content. And if you've got any more questions, let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching.